Welcome to GN Virtual Classes. Accountancy appears to be a typographical error, and the correct term is accountancy. Below is a detailed overview of accountancy. Definition: accountancy, also known as accounting, is a systematic process of recording, analyzing, and reporting financial transactions of a business or organization. It plays a critical role in understanding the financial health of an entity and ensuring compliance with financial regulations. Key functions of accountancy: 1. Bookkeeping. The process of recording all financial transactions, including sales, purchases, income, and payments. This is the foundation of accounting, ensuring all financial data is accurate and up to date. 2. Financial reporting. Preparing financial statements such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These documents provide a clear picture of the company's financial status and performance over a specific period. 3. Auditing. Reviewing and verifying financial records and statements to ensure accuracy and compliance with regulations. Auditing can be internal, conducted by an in-house team, or external, carried out by independent auditors. 4. Tax accounting. Focusing on tax-related issues, including the preparation of tax returns, tax planning, and ensuring compliance with tax laws. Accountants help minimize tax liabilities while ensuring that taxes are paid correctly and on time. 5. Management accounting. Providing financial data to management for decision-making purposes. This involves budgeting, forecasting, and analyzing financial performance to guide strategic planning and operational efficiency. 6. Forensic accounting. Investigating financial records to detect and prevent fraud or financial mismanagement. Forensic accountants often work in legal cases involving financial disputes or criminal investigations. Branches of accountancy. 1. Financial accounting. Deals with the preparation and analysis of financial statements for external stakeholders such as investors, creditors, and regulatory bodies. 2. Managerial accounting. Focuses on providing information to internal stakeholders, particularly management, for decision-making and business operations. 3. Cost accounting. Analyzes the costs associated with producing goods or services to help businesses control expenses and set prices effectively. 4. Governmental accounting. Involves managing and auditing the finances of government entities and ensuring that public funds are used efficiently and transparently. 5. Public accounting. Public accountants provide services such as auditing, tax preparation, and consulting to a variety of clients, including individuals, businesses, and government entities. Qualifications and certifications. Certified Public Accountant, CPA, a professional designation for accountants in many countries, indicating expertise and adherence to high ethical standards. Chartered Accountant, CA, similar to a CPA but used in countries like the UK, Canada, and Australia. Certified Management Accountant, CMA, focuses on financial management and strategy. Importance of accountancy. Financial transparency. Ensures that financial information is clear and accessible to stakeholders. Compliance. Helps organizations adhere to laws and regulations. Decision-making. Provides data necessary for making informed business decisions. Fraud prevention. Identifies and mitigates risks associated with financial misconduct. Career opportunities in accountancy. Accountant, auditor, tax consultant, financial analyst, forensic accountant, management consultant. Accountancy is essential for the effective management and operation of businesses, ensuring they remain financially viable and compliant with legal requirements. It is a versatile field offering various career paths, each with its own focus and expertise. Please subscribe our channel for more lessons on this subject. Goodbye, students.